The last operation in CRUD is the D part for delete, which is to remove data in your table. This operation uses the delete keyword. So the syntax for this is delete from, then the table name, where, and condition. Again, this where condition is optional. The where clause here is the same with what you learned from the previous topic. Say we wanted to delete the category canned goods in our table category, which has category ID of 2. Our query will look like this. Delete from category where category ID is equal to 2. Or in case you don't know the category ID, you can also create your query like this. Delete from category where category is equal to canned goods. Then click on the Go button. You will be prompted with a confirmation message to make sure that you really intend to delete the data. Since we are sure about this action, click on the OK button. Your category table will look like this. In the delete query, we use the equal sign operator, meaning exact match. What if we want to delete items that has price of lesser than 10 pesos? We expect that these two rows will be deleted after we execute our query. So let's type it now. Delete from items where price is less than 10. Then click on the Go button. And notice the result. As you can see in the where clause, you can use the logical and, or, and conditional operators like less than, greater than, not equal, and more. Depending on the requirements, you can delete multiple rows at the same time based on the condition provided. The change is permanent, so make sure you're deleting exactly what you want to be removed. As you see it work, delete all the items under the category ID of 5. Nagawa niyo ba? Now, I will show you how. That's it for the delete query. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.